Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreativeAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I am going to do a pour. This is on a 12 by 24 inch Artist Loft canvas. And the colors I want to use are Artist Loft's Flow Acrylic White. I'm using Rustoleum's what is this color? Metallic Glacier Blue. And then I'm going to use Amsterdam's Black Oxide. And then I'm using Blinkrylic's Florescent Blue. And I'm going to kind of just pour my colors down. And then, I don't know, just kind of play around. I'll probably smear. If I smear, I'm using, which I am, Amsterdam's Titanium White for my smear color. Let's see here. Got to see the goob. But I do thank everybody for joining me today. I appreciate you guys being here. Hopefully you will enjoy the video and do all that fun jazz of liking and subscribing and sharing and commenting, and all that helps my channel out tremendously.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Okay, bring it down for a close-up here. And the only one that should have some shimmer in it is the Glacier Blue. That's the only one that is a metallic. That one there. It's very cool. I really like it. You guys will have to tell me what you think. But I do thank everybody for joining me. I hope you guys have a good day and have a good evening and keep being creative. And hopefully you will like and subscribe and share. I appreciate you guys watching. Keep being creative. Bye.